And what that day today son na. I don't know whether for the studio settings is Zimmy Savage and the whole team I represent for One Knock TV. Can come wine panic kono. That's the team.
You understand that this is Jamaica Bill Gates, the rich kid, see? And you don't know me represent for One Knock TV. See? Remember One Knock TV. You know me drive go to my kitchen and fly go to my bathroom. See? Watch out. When they pass that whole of vibes, the whole team there as you can see, Savage, Tabitha, Chase. See the bad producer around this. See? It's Cornelius. So watch out now, John Blake. The Mr. One about where I represent for your set speed. See me have the baddest thing right now named Stashway. Cause girl forget money. Right, One Knock? So watch out. Oh.
Madam me.
It's your girl to be the Sherry representing you don't know where their studio vibes, you don't know Cornelius Records. Mother of the team. Stars and angels, I believe.
Boom.
Do it like this. A girl step out from you know you like the place good. If a girl take the match, you have the eye that good. Watch out for that.
Do it.
Alright, Savo and the team.
Yeah, man.
How is everything going?
Yeah, man, it's going great right now. Everybody has shot. Everybody. Yesterday was Bill Gates video shoot. All over turn.
And as you can see, it's a happy moment.
You see me? Don't know if I do ready my drop right now from Cornelius Records. I don't know the big bad producer with them too. You see me right now, my thing I drop name the Tambourine Rhythm with mine. I sing the track. On it name Bleaching, Tabitha on it, Bill Gates, the whole league. You understand? Razor Beat, just
right, just in the campaign.
See? See, you don't know. Look out. My bleaching, my clean skin, my cream skin, make me get enough gal, me not do bang a preaching, dog. One Knock. Get gal in my zone. When me use neighbor zone. Do it now, man.
Hey, One Knock. When me walk out, girl get money for stash me. Nobody ask when me stash me. Be hot girl, and the whole of them a get slap way. Who no want no girl them fi back way. When me, hey, you me say no One Knock TV, you don't know right? Just the girl. Everything alright. Tambourine ready. Look out.
One Knock.
One Knock. See? So the camp, we live and full of vibes, ready for anything, anytime, anywhere. You see me?
So when can fans expect this song coming out?
Bleachings?
Yes.
Alright, big bad producer, where's my boss?
Next week in the drop, with my VP for release.
Boss, next week in a VP, and we are doing some business right now, so you don't know the world us.
Remember we have to do the real everything.
Stop thing, man. It's in a lower thing.
Just go and watch it viral.
Just go and watch it viral. Just on gunning.
Okay, so
John Blake, get involved. No. Get involved.
One Knock. You don't know if
One Knock
in a one time, you know.
Mama bad self on the rhythm.
This is John Blake.
Just forward.
John Blake. Movie star / artist / everything. So the camp full of holy talent.
Go time where you start.
Yeah,
you don't know, just a check-in because you don't know our family, so you don't know. Heart transplant, I know sing upon the bad time with John Blake there, you don't know One Knock, straight to the
heart transplant. So the dirty heart people, you have to listen to John Blink song, and the clean heart people, you listen to John Blink song because you want to make a heart transplant some people.
Hold on, John. But that fuck, you listen to the whole rhythm because I'm the artist with the right now, the Tambourine Rhythm. Right now, you don't know, my brother Bill Gates step on it, I don't know the Kulu Kulu boss step on it, I don't know Tabitha Share. Not even detergent, can't wash out your heart, you need to get a heart transplant. Tell me say me have to make it, you want to tell me say me can't. Now you see me with me things that you want, we are continue with journey. On a straight path, but you have cause you a move slant, it don't make sense, you wash out your heart. Better you go dash out your heart. One Knock.
One Knock TV, you don't know what they are.
So here's a media set speed.
It's happy moment.
Happy moment.
Step in the bar.
Yeah, man, I'm in a day, I'm an happy moment. Happy moment. Happy moment. This is the happy moment. This is the happy moment.
Yeah.
Happy moment.
It's rich.
It's rich.
Yeah.
Happy moment. They don't know big up Cornelius and the whole school.
As you can see, we're happy.
Yeah. Wanna make you one broke for me back. Wanna make you one broke for me back. Hey, yeah. Wanna make you one broke for me back. Wanna make you one broke for me. Alright, listen. See the style, see the style. And that style, she do when me kiss me swine. Hey, I said the cat in there. Yeah, she still
One Knock.
Back, wine, down, shot,
Stop. One Knock TV.
Watch it, girl, them a roll out. And I do this camera wine. Shake up them ass and I wind up them spine. Hey, wine pan you. Search at same time. Feel your pocket like. Alright, One Knock, watch it.
Atto, we Wait, up inna your belly when me a go send it up, girl. Up inna your belly, girl. Up inna your belly, girl. Up inna your belly, girl. It's sweet, hey, it's sweet.
One Knock TV, you see that? Right, that's how they have vibes every day.
One Knock,
See me 24 hours.
One
See?
Knock, you know, for rich, for happy. I just say how happy we be, we are all our vibes.
We are Kansas Spring. You see, we so touch back in Jamaica, you see me? Mad move. One Knock TV.
What there now?
Wait.
Razor.
So the song on the tambourine rhythm, is that the only song you have coming out anytime soon?
No, right now I have a song named Mole Your Back for the girl them. You see me? Mole your back. Mole your back. Wine and go down and mole up your back for your mole, back for your bend up and back for your fold. You understand? So if I make the girl them broke them back, I have to mole back them back, you know. So you know when you mole back something? Yeah, so the girl them mole them back. So the next thing now, name? What is the stammer wine?
Yeah.
See?
Stammer wine, aka Scammer wine.
Mole your back rhythm, we have Khalid come out by the same rhythm.
Same rhythm.
You understand? So you don't know a whole heap of works are come out. Savage have a next thing named Zungo Zen. Zungo Zen. So you don't know, me are the new yellow man. See?
Yeah.
Big up yellow man. You see me about me are the yellow savage. Yeah. So you don't know, Zungo Zen. Bex no boy.
Bex no boy.
And you talk with your boss. Bex no boy.
And we have a talk a lucky night camp. Bex no boy.
Yeah, so you don't know, One Knock. One Knock. One time we are telling them, you know.
So fans can expect a mixtape or EP from you anytime soon?
Right now, my voice like 3 songs every day. Sometimes I don't know what to do with song in a One Knock. Right now, I have to just put them out. But we are trying to do the thing the right way. So we are linked with VP, Taz, everybody are call right now. So the right moment, the world can look out for some brand new mixer drop from Tabita, the whole link. You understand me? I say John Blink. You see me? Team Savage out and mad pan them. You see it? So you don't know Kolo. It's just one thing. You see me? We got global, epic and mash up the whole place. We have a whole heap more products on the team. Normal. See it?
So what about you, Tabita?
Well, right now I'm working on my EP. I'm not too sure about the name it still, but you don't look at that. Is it because I'll be an artist?
Loud.
Without it? Yeah, multi-talented. Different than a Tabita. Different. One Knock.
So you don't know, look out for Tabita EP. You see me?
Bill Gates, what about
You
you?
know the same thing, look out for your EP from the soon.
And the big bad video where you have
And the big bad video we do yesterday.
Yeah.
Stammer wine, see?
Yeah,
the
paper.
premiere pan here on stage. Check it out.
The man of M4 2016 M4 in a
Video.
right
Drop
now,
top.
playing alone faster than that. See it?
Yeah,
the
yeah.
man crib where I'm going to do him video and nah man, the real Bill Gates.
Check out the video.
See me
People
music
remember
and
a one Bill Gates.
Yeah.
See?
And we not grill Gates.
Any other Bill Gates a grill gate.
Alright.
Remember people have money on the carpet.
Anyway,
personal vehicles and bricks.
we not walk yet.
Walk yet.
Oh.
Check it.
Right now. So them don't know Team Savage, the flavor, and now man, right, that's a whole lot of vibe every day.
Every day.
You don't know, check out the studio, Princeville Plaza, you don't know. BH, the maddest engineer in our studio right now, the wickedest equipment, them, everything. So you don't know, I just be a bad music. So we have the baddest singer around here. Sport of nature. You see me? Bad and shall hold it more, it's you don't know, One Knock. You see me? And one clap we say now, can come mine pan the kono. You see? Yeah.
So what about shows? Do you have any shows planned for the near future?
Right now the shows them are coming wicked car. We gonna do a thing one day and we gonna bring a bed on stage. You know where the people them not seen a long while, you know, and everybody a talk about it. So we promote one, you know, this Kulo yeah, from for them show. You don't know for the girl them car. Every show we go book out, ram. You see me? 70% female, you understand? Just forwarding from Trinidad. Got Tobago, we did Trinidad last month. You see me did St. Martin, you see me have Canada, go US, all of them places. So St. Lucia say about 3 shows coming right now from St. Lucia alone, so you don't know. We don't even know right now. See me, we just do the work, the work is good. And good when you do something you love and you see me? Get paid. So you don't know me, I run out on the show them in my Kulo gown, I'm a turban and them thing that first them ever seen this. First time ever seen this. You see that? Bad. One Knock.
So how about overseas fans? How are they accepting you in the dance hall?
Yeah, them accept me very well, you know, because them say Savage is special. I come out different approach towards even the performance is like them I listen to the track itself. You know, them like how we deal with things, you see me? And then I was a people person. You know, a long time if the overseas fans them hear about Savage, so right now them I get to see the face and them have a hit song now for run with. You see me, and the team are come out full force. You see me, not just the one song them I got many more things to listen to, so you don't know. The song them I play overseas right now, I love that. In the UK, you see me? No matter what if shows that come up in the UK, you see me? So you don't know Europe, they go good again. You see me? We just have to stay humble and put in the work. You see me? Now I don't know what thing, you know. We just love the music, you see? Yeah. But
What about you, Tabitha?
Me? The overseas fans?
And local?
Well, you know, the fans them always love the old Spartan agency. You know, because we're different, because we're different too, so, right? Always good feedback, fans them always good. You know, only one thing is look out for it. Listen to the fans about the world, one minute.
you don't know a thing going on now. Big up the bad man them in the world, you know. You see me? They don't know how we say Savage, you know. I think I send boy go and chill. Black and cement, like a youth go and build, hey. My guy for them feel them skill, not me get the brand thing, me never buy down a fin. You see me the bigger, they gonna the better the verse, my mind be going from better to worse. I'm coming a car reverse and urge, I fuck up this kind of dig up the door, this is me come guess me one knock. Do it, we are doing it. You see it? You get it? So, big up on yourself and you don't know it's a Savage are the maddest thing, you know, just show in a hype, you know. But I work, we make the word speak the way. Because we say, you see me do the thing, you know, do the damn thing, you know. Do it. We don't talk it, we just do it. You see it? Man.
What about you, Bill Gates?
Dear what? See? We are putting crazy work, so the show them are coming soon. But remember, you know, we don't have to wait for a show if you come in for fly. Remember, we have a one jet, you know, we lift up anytime. See?
Boom! 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 You hear that? Bill Gates. We're not Bill Gates. So you don't know. We're up and running right now, you know. See John Bling there, them money. The image alone, them money start only for big movie.
Talk and them somebody as they say
movie star, as I'm telling
so
you.
stand up on your feet, make your fashion.
Jamaica Affairs, movie star.
A whole lot of things that I'm making, man. People just can't stay true, you don't know. Stay
So
true
look
to
out
one
for
now, and I see a bag of things that go on. Stop it, the whole thing we are rolling.
Right now, we are set up for shoot all movie right now, you know. You don't know, you know. Them girl are a big actor, you know. Girl can't act, you know. Them man can't act. Them a teach me the thing, so you don't know. Look from this. So say, we could have done a movie like Shutters. You don't know. You don't know.
So on now, we can left someone with you, and a one girl me knock, and a two girl me knock, and a three, and a four, and a five girl me knock. But every girl low we knock, them have to come back, run back, come circle the block, one knock.
One knock. You hear that?
Sicker than that.
Do it. So do it for the corner, man.
I noticed that you have quite a buzz on social media. Tell us about that.
Well, suppose they have built up long time now because you know, it's all about being different, giving the people what they want. The local school people them and the generation who come up now, them as a Savage. So you understand? So really that is why the buzz is on social network, because they're sharing and they're liking the stuff. You understand? So we have to keep on doing the stuff them what them want here, because right now them are the generation we are going to be the generation to put the music to the levels where it will reach. You understand? So when the bus them, the school bus them, the youth them will play Kolo Kolo and I request to pull up them, beat them up. You see me, because you don't know, you know. I'm touching on them barbecue there now, there's enough of them school fete there. Them, you see me now have to sing out the song, we just go some gang. And the song I deal with, you understand? So you don't know, big up to all you, them I say Team Savage loud.
So for those who aren't following you on social media, where can they find you?
Well, Savage Savo on my fan page. I have about 3 different Facebook pages. I have Savage Savo on IG. See, you don't know, check me out on Twitter, Savage1080. See me? You don't know me there, check me out at Princeville Plaza. Anytime you're out of Jamaica, you feel like coming to Constant Spring, Princeville Plaza, Kingston 8. Yeah. You're here. Man.
What about you, Tabitha?
Me?
Yeah.
Well, you can find me, and the spelling is Tabetachae.
Yeah.
I have a spelling code, I was special. You see me? Yeah, IG,
Tabitha.
Twitter, the whole works, Facebook, Tabitha. Or just Spartan Angel, eh? Everybody can spell Spartan Angel. I want to find the same.
Mr. Richman himself, Bill Gates.
Yeah, just call me name. Watch what I go on now. Instagram, see? Bill Gates _25. Hey, remember people, me I sue people from out there. No stop tell me name wrong. My name spell BYLLGATEZS. See? Bill Gates, Facebook, Bill Gates, Instagram, Bill Gates 25 _ hey. Every other thing, Bill Gates. One Bill Gates here, Jamaica. Check it.
You don't know John Blink. One for Instagram, John Blink Facebook, John Blink Twitter, see me. You see me? If you go Google it, John Blink. Straight.
Yeah, man, the whole world for us now, so you look out and subscribe.
Yeah, the team.
Check in for the thing them. Support the thing them. And share the thing them, because I don't know. And we are the generation where we take the thing to the way to go. You understand? The right way. You see me? So when I do it, you see me? You won't be disappointed. You see me? So that's that? Yeah. But
Well, thank you, Team Savage, for taking the time out.
anytime, see me? It was our pleasure. You see?
Why
Why we say it was our pleasure. See it? It's a weekend party. Wagwananya. Ooh yeah. It's a weekend party. Yeah. Check it out. DJ Ice with it. You see me? You don't know only more production. You see me? I only for take it. But there's some I can sing song from now till tomorrow. You see me? Tabitha the same. Bill Gates the same because that's a voice. Only for children. So you don't know. You see me? Let's release them with the people and get them the right way. You don't know what to deal with the business part of the thing, the proper way. Cause one time Ghana music used to just fling out and then the artists them don't really see where the music is, them don't know where it is, if it's even playing. So you don't know what to deal with the thing the right way, the book, work of the thing, and get all the thing them proper. So the people them can get the right mix of the song them and everything proper mixed and you understand? So you don't know. Stay tuned to Team Savage Works. See me? Check out Tabitha thing them, Bill Gates, and Savage thing them. You see me?
Yeah, man, like you don't know which part of Princefield Plaza, see? And guess what? Respect to you if you show it to the world, see? Madman.